Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reduce hardware reserved memory too high in Windows 11, 10. First method is type System Configuration in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Uncheck Maximum Memory. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click System, click About. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File. Third method is change BIOS settings to default. After save and exit BIOS settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.